Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Check here. Huh? i5, Iris graphics, a proper nice Huawei laptop. So what's the problem with this one? The problem with this one, the customer is saying, well, what he's saying, this laptop has been sold by them and come back under warranty, not charging. That's all what we know about this laptop. So let's plug a charger and check. Okay, so we have the charger. Plug in the charger and it's doing nothing. Nothing. The meter is not coming on. The thing is the charging port can be is kind of bent there, you can see. And that's all. I mean, we don't have another charging port, so most likely it is the charging port, right? Let's open the laptop quickly. Replacing the charging port. Nah, it will be fine. Okay, so the laptop is open. This is like brand new inside. Check there. No dust, nothing. Untouched. I would say let's go straight to the charging port and check what's going on there, yeah? But the charging port is on the other side, right? Yeah, it is on the other side. Let me take the board out and see what's going on the other side. Perfect, so the motherboard is out. Now let's go and check the charging port. Okay, so we can see the plastic cover is still here. Let's come with around 300 degrees. Wow, that looks bad. That looks so bad. We can't see, right? Yeah. I mean, check that, yeah? Every pin, every pin is broken from the board. You can see? Check that. That sucks, you know. Yeah, they looks bad, you know, looks bad, but we can do it, right? We can do it. That's what we are doing here. Yeah, our jobs. So we can, you know, think, okay, this is a challenge. Yeah, it's not really a challenge. It's just, you know, a matter of time till we rebuild all the trucks, and yeah, that's the problem with this laptop. So first, let's be sure we are having a plan, yeah? So the plan is to solder all those three pins together here. That's the plan here. The plan here is to solder both pins together and then to the trucks, yeah? That's the plan. Here, we're gonna use probably a wire, just to be sure. Here, a direct solder, it will be fine here. Yeah, the truck is big, so we are fine. Here a wire. Okay, those pins are bent. Okay, here a wire. Here a wire. Wire. Here, yeah, direct solder is fine. Same here, direct solder. Here, same story. We are soldering both pins together and to the pad. And here we have 3 pins to ground. Same. All 3 pins soldered together. So that's the plan. You know what's the problem? The problem is not the repair. Yeah, don't get me wrong. The problem is the people, it will never understand this charging port. It will never be the same like before. It will never be able to, you know, to apply same force on this charging port. So the second time, most likely this charging port, it will die easily, you know, when they are moving the port up and down, because that's how this is happening. It's moving the port up and down. Perfect. So how is looking for you? Huh? It doesn't look like that complicated compared with the beginning, right? It was looking more complicated. So you see, as soon as you have a plan, yeah, everything should be fine. Now, what we are using here? Rosin. You're right. Soren's Rosin. Rosin is good. Especially, it's a very good isolator. Rosin? Rosin. Perfect. Perfect. Now, a little bit of solder wire. Like 180 degrees. Yeah, that should be fine. 180. Yeah, let's be sure we are bonding the old solder with the new one. Perfect. 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 Probably you can't see a lot because you know, that charging port silver, it will darker the webcam, the camera. Sorry. Perfect here. Perfect here. Okay, so we are fine. Yeah, we are fine. Let's clean it. Perfect. Let's use proper calibrated wire. Yeah, you're right. You're right. So those are fine, yeah? We're gonna apply more solder on the end. Here is fine, it's perfectly fine. This one, I said a direct solder because it's a big pad. We're gonna apply more solder at the end. So what do we have left? We have left this track. This one here. Perfect. We have this one here. And that's fine. We have this one here. And this one is fine. And we have this one here. And this one is fine. Then we have this one here. And this one is fine. Then we said here it will be a direct solder. We have this one Perfect. Perfect. Now let's use a little bit of solder, yeah? Perfect. Here is perfect. And here, perfect. You see all three pins together. Here, that one is perfect. This one we use wire, right? Yeah, perfect. Here, both pins together, right? Yeah, perfect. And here, all three together. Perfect. Hmm? Can you spot any problem here, any issue? Yeah, you see now it's nice and round. Yeah, perfect. I didn't want that. Okay. Now it's perfect. Now all we have to do now is to clean. Yeah. And we are done. Can we test it before we are cleaning? Yeah, we can. We can plug the charger and we should see 19, yeah? Check there, the meter is coming on, you can see it. 19. Wiggle in the charger, everything is fine, yeah? Good. Now let's clean it. Have to clean it, just a little bit of UV gel, you know, just to look nice, you know. And that's all. Perfect, perfect. This is one thing what I love about rosin. When you clean it, the board is not greasy like when you're using a liquid flux, like something else, but not rosin. So when you clean it with alcohol, the board is like dry. We can apply the UV gel now. Perfect, right? Now we need UV light, and that's all. Those, you see, the metals are proper solder, so it's no point trying to resolder this. So the issue was not here. The problem was the pins and the plastic thingy. We can also clean it inside. You can see it's a little bit dirty. We can clean it inside. But basically the job is nearly done. So how is it looking for you? Perfect, right? Yeah, I know. Let's clean it inside just to be sure, you know. Perfect. Perfect. Let's dry a little bit. All done. Let's put the board back and test. Okay, so the laptop is all back together. Let's plug the battery. Let's plug the charger. Plug in the charger. The laptop is not charging because probably the battery is too low. Can we help the battery in order to charge? Yeah, we can. We have 7.7 volts battery. Yeah, something like that. Low current. Yeah, that's fine. So we are coming with minus and plus on the battery, black and red. The battery is charging with 2.2 amps. Check on the screen. Yeah, you can see on the screen. Check the current on a meter. On the meter, it's 300 milliamps. You can see it. So right now it's 300 milliamps, but we are waiting for the current to jump, like, nearly 2 amps, something like that. So that's the pre-charge current, 300 milliamps. But let's charge the battery a little bit and we're gonna see the current there. 400 milliamps, check on the meter. Yeah. We are pushing 2.2 amps on the battery. 410 milliamps, you can see on the power meter. 800, check there, 1 amp, 1.2, 1.4, 1.7, and that's all. Yeah, we don't need to help the battery, because the battery now is charging fine. You see, 2 amps. So that's how you help the battery a little bit, just, to see if it's charging with the right amount of current. Now let's check the laptop. Pressing the power button, and the fan is not spinning. Nah, we have picture. Okay, probably the fan is spinning only when the CPU is hot. Huh? Can we test that? Yeah, we can. Yeah, of course we can. So we have the fan which is not spinning, right? We are coming with the hot air on the heatsink. Hot air on the heatsink till the moment you see the fan spinning. Pay attention on the fan. The fan is still not spinning. The heatsink it's about 60. Yeah, it's spinning now. Check that, you can see. So the fan is spinning. The laptop is charging fine, 2 amps there. We have the charging sign on the screen. We can wiggle the charger. You can see I'm wiggling the charger and the charger is fine. All done. Now the problem is, one more time, yeah? Just to know, because you have to explain to the customer. If the customer is taking the laptop and he start wiggling with the charger, it will happen again, but more easily this time, yeah? So if this laptop worked for about a year, now if it's applying same behavior to this laptop, probably like under 1 month, it will be back. And this is not warranty. So I don't know. It's strange and weird, because you have to explain the customer, okay, you caused that, and the customer, it will say, no, you fix it and you didn't fix it properly. So how you can explain him the pads are all broken on the motherboard, yeah, and you use some tiny wires to rebuild the tracks. If you think, okay, let's use bigger wires to rebuild that tracks, no, bigger wires, it will get broken easily. So you have to use some small flexible wires in order to stand up to wiggling, yeah? So I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Now if you have this job or it's your laptop, now you know how to fix it, yeah? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.